Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add social media icons to your footer in your WordPress website. So if I just head over to my website here, you can see down at the bottom, I have this section for all of my social media links, and I'll show you how to create exactly the same. So the first thing we need to do is head over to our WordPress dashboard. And then if we scroll down in the left, we need to come inside of plugins. Then at the top here, select add new plugin. And then in this search feature, we're just going to search for social icons and hit enter. Now, the one that I like to use is this social icons widget on block by WP Zoom. Go ahead and click on install now, and then just go ahead and press activate. So once you've activated your plugin, we need to come over to appearance in the left hand side, select widgets. Now if we come down, depending on the theme that you're using, you should have these options to enter elements within your footer area of your website. So you can see here I have footer column 1, footer column 2, and all of this just came pre-installed with my theme. Most themes do include this or something similar, but essentially you just need to come down to your column section in the widgets and then open up the widget of where we want to add these social media links. So I'm going to be adding mine in footer column 3 here, and then from the left hand side here we just need to scroll down and find this social icons by WP, and we're going to drag that now over to footer column 3. And once you've dragged this inside of here, you'll see a bunch of options appear. Now this title is basically the text that goes above the social media links. So if I come back to my footer over here, you can see we have this follow us text. So obviously you can change and customize that to say what you want. Then we have a few options down here. So most likely you want to leave show icon labels unticked and just have the icons without any text. Open links in new tab is always a good idea so it doesn't take people away from your website. There's a few customization options here so you can align these to either the center, left or right. Select the style that you want to use for the icons. You can also set the icons to either square or round. I'm going to keep these to round. And then down here, you can just adjust all the sizing and the padding and the colors and everything like that. So you'll have 3 icons down here just as default, which is Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you want to add more social media links, you can do so just by clicking add more. And then if we click on the icon next to this, you can then select the social media link that you want from here. Now, there's over 400 different social media icons to choose from, so they'll definitely have what you're looking for. Then we can close out of here, and all you need to do is you'll just need to enter your URL of your social media in each of these categories here. And then once you finish, we can just come down to saved at the bottom. And then if we head back over to our website, you can see now this is the one that I added down here. And it's literally as simple as that. That's how you add social media icons in your WordPress website. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.